When receiving the electric bike, the phone holder will be a little loose. First, adjust to the appropriate angle. The mobile phone holder should be installed at an angle and cannot be installed parallel to it. Then tighten the screws at the back of the phone holder to secure it. Adjust the width to the appropriate size and then put the phone on it. Please note that the bottom of the mobile phone holder is used to support the mobile phone, not to clamp it. This installation is incorrect. You must put the phone into the bracket and then tighten the screws.